If you kind of want to do like the 360s, the 180, go one trim above the top. If you can kind of see that on the gauge. You want to stand close to the back, but not on the foot chocks necessarily. Get up some speed. Anything above like 10 miles an hour, let it level out, sit down, and then lean into it. And then stand up on the, and then you want to go to the foot chocks. You want to transfer to the foot chocks. That way you get that smooth spin. Let's do that again. It's about 30 mile an hour, little turn, and then it'll take some getting used to, but when you get it smooth, it feels so good. And if you want to do a 180 and get a big wheelie, same exact thing, but just put the throttle on earlier and put that trim to the max after. Ready? All right, so let's talk about wheelies. So, to initiate a wheelie, I recommend on the foot chock standing with basically, at least for me, I'm about 160-ish pounds to about 170. Put your back feet just on the edge. You can kind of see it, just on the edge, and kind of plant your, whatever that part of the foot is, big part right there. And then you want to just not full throttle. If you full throttle, it'll just come right back down. But max trim, and just ease into it and lean back hard. Like push down and then, and she'll come up. Then find your balance point, which you'll know it, so a little bit away from it. Okay, balance point found. And then just play with the throttle. Modulate it, bend your knees a little bit too, it helps. Starts going down, lean back again. Once you find the balance point, stand up and then modulate throttle. Little tiny movements of correction on the handlebars if necessary. And look at that. We're doing a wheelie on a Jet Blaster Pro. Tilt you guys up a little bit. Losing it, so I'm just going to squeeze down just a little bit more. Alrighty. So yeah, those are kind of like the basic tricks, the 180 to wheelie and then the flat 360. Let's get another flat 360. Those are kind of fun. So we're gonna go one up from the top, get some speed up here, about 30 mile an hour, sit down, put your weight like this, do a little turn, weight forward, off to the side, and then carry that momentum around a 360. One more time, those are fun. Let's do that one more time for you guys. I love them, you guys love them. And you want to kind of put the throttle on at about 270 degrees. Just watch my throttle again. One more time. And then a little smooth, not even full throttle out, just smooth. Let's do a 180 to wheelie now. So again, now at about 90 degrees to 180 degrees, put that throttle on. And then like we talked about before, find your balance point and hold her there. And now you're doing a fat ass wheelie on a 2025 Jet Blaster Pro. And now you're riding this thing like the pros. You can impress all the ladies at the sandbar. Just please do not drink and boat. I do not recommend it.